Alright, we had a job last night that was a restaurant. It's still running about 50%, so the carpets weren't as dirty as what they normally are, but they still were dirty. Yeah, they're a restaurant bar, so I'm going to open this thing up and we're going to see what we got. So I had to come over here towards the valve, and here we go. And you cannot smell the smell, but I can. And it is stinky. So we used about half a tank of 120 gallons last night on the carpets, and this is what we got. It's kind of a yucky, gray, greasy looking stuff, which it should be. So that is from last night. We do this restaurant after they close, so this is the water we got. So dirty water dump from last night. We didn't have any jobs this morning. We had well, we didn't have any jobs for the carpet cleaning van. We had jobs for the other equipment. So yep, this is from last night. Alright, see you guys. Omega Reflections. Give us a call. Facebook, bells, whistles, all that stuff. Hit us all. We're on everything. LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff. So see you on the next dirty water dump. See ya.